To provide full support for the Mosaic tile, cover the saw tray with a piece of tile backer board and adjust the saw height to cut through about half of the board thickness. Dress the blade by cutting through a 60 grit dressing stone, which will expose the abrasive diamond in the blade edge. Regularly dressing the blade will promote efficient and chip-free cutting. Place the tile sheet on the tray, film side up, and align the cut. For the best result, cut slowly and ensure ample water flow. For a list of recommended premium glass tile blades, refer to the Oceanside Glass and Tile installation instructions, which are available at installogt.com. Place the cut tile film side down on a flat, dry surface and towel dry the back of the sheet prior to installation.